Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you have a hose that does this? Obviously it takes away the pressure of the hose and gets you pretty wet when you're trying just to water something. So let me show you one thing you can quick check before you go out and buy a brand new hose. One thing you can quick check, or you could just get wet, waste a bunch of water. But first thing I would do, if you have a hose that leaks like this is actually a fairly decent hose. So if you take a look at it, there's one problem you might have. You see the seal in there, you can get it in the sun, right? It's split and cracked, right? So you can see it's disintegrating. So after a lot of seasons, you can get them and they become brittle and they just start breaking, right? And they start falling apart. So buying new rubber seals, really cheap, real easy to do. Just stuff a new seal down in there, right? And that will secure your hose and seal it from leaking like that again. So put that back on. And generally, like every couple of years, I just buy a pack of those things. They come in like a pink color or a black color, but you buy a couple packs of those things and there you go. No more squirting hose at you when you're doing something. So that's really it. First step in fixing your hose, first of all, just see if your hose just needs new seals. They're super cheap to do. Takes literally, a few seconds to do. You just saw I did it, and then you keep your pants and shoes dry. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks.